Application 23. Here the problem states that if I draw a perpendicular on the hypotenuse from the right angular point A, here the chobi ABC is the right angle angle, A is the right angle, and BC is the hypotenuse. Right angular point A is the right angular point of the right angle angle ABC if AC, AB and BC are in continued proportion. Continued proportion means AC is to AB equals to AB is to BC. Then let me prove that the greatest part of the hypotenuse. What is the part? Here is the two part, BD and DC. BD and DC are the two parts of the hypotenuse BC. Is equal to the smallest side of the triangle. Triangle ABC. BC is the hypotenuse which is the greatest part, and other two sides AB and BC. So given that in the right angle triangle ABC, A is the right angle, I draw a perpendicular AD on the hypotenuse BC from A, and AC be the smallest part. Here we assume that AC is the smallest part. So we have to prove the smallest part of the right angle triangle AC is the greatest part of the hypotenuse BD or DC. So we have to prove the greatest part of hypotenuse BC is equal to the side AC. Since DC is the right angle triangle ADC, DC is the right angle triangle ADC. Since it cannot be equal to hypotenuse AC, here we note that AD is perpendicular to BC. This is right angle, hence AC is the hypotenuse. We know that the hypotenuse is the greatest side of the right angle triangle. So from the right angle triangle ADC, AC is the greatest side. So DC is not the greatest. Okay. So BD is the greatest part. So I have to prove BD equals to AC. BD equals to AC. Okay. Proof. AD is the perpendicular on BC from right angle angle A. Hence we know that the ABD and ABC are similar from the previous theorem. Hence we know the ratio of the equal opposite side of the equal angle are in proportion. Hence BD, ABD, this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. And BAD, opposite side of BAD equals to BD, and BAD equals to ACB, ACB. Hence ACB, opposite side of ACB equals to AB. Hence BD by AB equals to AB. AB means right angle triangle, opposite side of the right angle triangle. AB and BAC opposite কি হবে BC, AB by BC, which is also equals to AD by AC. But this ratio is useless for this context. So we take only the first two ratio, BD by AB equals to AB by AC. And it is given that the AC, AB and BC are in continued proportion. Hence, AC is to AB equals to AB equal to BC. That is, AC by AB equals to AB by BC. This is given. AC by AB equals to AB by BC. And from these two equations, AB by BC is equals. Hence, we can write BD by AB equals to AC by AB. We repeat again, AB by BC and AB by BC are equal. So we can write from these two equations BD by AB equals to AC by AB. That is, and we cancel AB and we get BD equal to AC. Okay, this is our required to prove. This is proof.